Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing a painting, eventually, but I'm going to be talking to you during this video, and I know I'm going to be losing a lot of subscribers in this, so I will get you set up and we'll get started. So like I said, this is about the way that my channel is going to go from now on. I'm not going to be doing any more string pulls because, well, to put it simply, I don't like them. I can't get into them. They cause me too much stress. I overthink things. It's not fun. So I'm debating on doing a pour or a flip cup today. I don't know yet. This is the golden that I got. It's very pretty. Also, the whole reason I started pour painting is because I can't draw. So, the rest of the colors will be listed. I'm sorry, the rest of the colors in the silicone oil I use in these will be in the description. But yeah, I can't draw, and that's why I pour paint. And I find that you need a little bit more of an artistic talent going for you in the string pull department than I have. So, there's that. It's just, like I said, I simply don't like them. So, no more string pulls. Just gonna be doing, like, fluid art in this sense instead of string pulls. I'm sorry if that's harsh. But, in the sense, the other day I actually managed to find a color wheel for $1 while I was at Walmart. So I'm very happy about that. It's, how I managed to find these colors for today. I'm excited to see how they're going to turn out. Do this next. Also, I've noticed something in my analytics, which is just kind of strange. I'm not trying to be mean by any way, shape, or form. It's just, you can tell that it's an 11-minute video, for example, and yet, consistently, they'll have people watch it for 14 seconds and leave. Or 12 seconds and leave, depending. And I'm just curious and want to know what am I doing wrong in those first 12 seconds that makes people want to leave so quickly? That is all. It's not like anything bad on you guys. No, I just want to know what I'm doing wrong. And the worst part is every time I ask if I'm doing something wrong, I don't get a response in the comments usually. So it's hard for me to not want to improve. It's hard for me to improve in general. I want to improve. It's just no one can help me because no one wants to answer my questions. Like, I really want to know for, well, the betterment of everything, what am I doing so wrong? I'm losing track of what I'm doing. I have a square 12 by 12 canvas this time, so call it good after some pink. Okay, I'm gonna clean up, flip it on the canvas, and put some white paint down, and I'll be back. And I'm back with Roman, who's trying to burrow into my garbage bag right now. Well, he was. What are you doing? Okay. Let's flip this. Woo! Why not lip it? Bring it back down. Roman was getting his stick like a good boy. Bring this back. Voila. For now. Man, this color wheel, just woo, killing it. I am loving this. Wow. Okay, torch. Need a torch. I only really want to torch it there, everything else is fine. Like, I'm gonna hit this spot again, but that's about it. Like, here. That was weird. You didn't have to go and slam the door. I'll be back with a wet one in a little bit. So this is what it looks like while it's still wet. No words. It's so amazing. I love it. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry. The colors came out just so amazing. I'm sorry if my light's causing a weird thing. I'm actually filming it backwards this time, so I'll see you on a dry one. Here's the dried result of the flip cup that I did. I really do hope you guys stay with me while I do more on the acrylic pouring than just string pulls, because I just can't deal with it. Please let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments. If you haven't seen the other flip cup that I've done recently, make sure you check that out here in the end screen. Like this video if you like this painting, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.